Nature, a beautiful element of life. We are all surrounded by nature. We just don't realize it until we start to take notice. Nature is made up of everything we see around us. Tall trees, small shrubs, to larger plants, animals and the sky. Human beings are dependent on nature to stay alive, as it helps us breathe, provides food, water and shelter and many more. Plants in specific can be illustrated in many beautiful ways, one being the meaning of life. Similar to humans, plants go through the same stage. They are born and slowly over time they grow and disintegrate off the face of this earth. Let's take a closer look. The bottlebrush hakea is a native plant to South Australia and Western Australia. It's a perfect plant to attract bees, nectar-eating birds and butterflies, essentially creating a perfect ecological niche for wild South Australian species. The colouring of the hakea is a beautiful element of flowering nature. The colour changes from a young flower to a fully grown flower. As seen, the young flower that is not yet sprouted is a light green colour, and gradually forms a pinker pigment as the flower grows older. At last, the long slender blue-green foliage of the tree is dotted with the bright pink-red conical shaped flowers, and it makes a wonderful feature of nature. The texture of the hakea varies depending on the age and flower once again. When the flower hasn't yet bloomed yet, and is remained in the flower shell, it is quite hard to touch and condones a rough texture. Once a flower has fully bloomed, the stamens are longer, providing a softer texture. The hakea bottlebrush plant is an illustration of how humans grow and become independent, opening up and exposing themselves to the real world. It manifests the stages of life that each person goes through when they are young and when they are older, composing a beautiful meaning of life portrayed through nature.